Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Wednesday. All four of the major indices ended higher, with the NASDAQ 100 up by the most, almost 1.5%. The S&P 500 ended about 0.8% higher, while the Dow and the small cap Russell 2000 also ended up. Now, if we take a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 9 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, with consumer discretionary up by almost 2%, followed by communication services. Energy was the worst performer, dropping almost 3.4%, along with the steep drop in crude oil. Utilities also ended lower. Looking at some stocks on the move, crude oil dropped more than 5% today, the largest one-day drop since September 23, 2022. It's also the lowest closing price in 5 weeks. And it all came after the EIA reported U.S. gasoline demand's 4-week average fell last week to the lowest for this time since 1998. The drop weighed on energy stocks. Tesla jumps around 6% on the same day that Ford delivered strong EV results. However, Ford shares closed lower. The bears had been waiting on a weak price to pounce on Tesla. Many got what they wanted when its own EV deliveries came in softer than some estimates on Monday. But analysts said traders were covering their shorts today as it relates to Tesla. And the big four airlines closed higher today despite price target cuts at Citi. The analyst said there's a mismatch of conditions happening. Higher oil prices, the softening of major economies, and stubbornly high U.S. dollar strength. Citi said these conditions could continue into at least early 2024, but the analyst maintained Delta and United's buy ratings because against this backdrop, they look strongest with more international exposure. Let's look at what to watch for Thursday. Jobless claims data will be released ahead of Friday's September jobs report. And then on the earnings front, Constellation Brands and Conagra report before the bell, and Levi Strauss reports quarterly results after the close. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.